Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Tesla Model S. To perform a soft reset, simply press and hold both scroll wheels on your steering wheel simultaneously. Keep holding them down until the main touchscreen goes completely black. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the wheels, and the screen will restart after approximately 30 seconds, often resolving minor software issues and improving system responsiveness without affecting your settings. For more persistent issues, a hard reset or power cycle can be effective. First, shift your Tesla into park. On the touchscreen, tap Controls, then Safety and Security, and finally power off. Do not touch anything for at least 2 minutes while the car completely shuts down. After 2 minutes, simply press the brake pedal to power the vehicle back on. This process can clear more stubborn software bugs. If you're selling your Tesla or facing significant unresolved software problems, a factory reset might be necessary. This action will erase all personal data, settings, and profiles, returning the car to its original factory state. To do this, go to Controls, then Service, and select Factory Reset. You will need to enter your Tesla account credentials to confirm this irreversible process. Be sure to back up any important data first. Knowing when to use each reset type is key. A soft reset is perfect for quick fixes, like a frozen touchscreen or minor audio issues. Opt for a hard reset when problems persist or after a significant software update to ensure everything settles correctly. A factory reset is a last resort, typically for selling the vehicle or troubleshooting severe, unresolvable system failures. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.